You know, I thought I was ready to go, but I think I need an umbrella. Just kidding, you can't tell, but it's raining. Got my umbrella, my banana. Okay. Let's go to the garden. Currently filming on Snapchat because I'm running out of storage, so yeah, this is not the most efficient way to vlog. I just realized the only really bad thing about this is that I can't exactly like sit this down and be filming. So basically we're just gonna have to do the good old banana trick. Let's hope this doesn't flop on the ground because I'll be really sad. I'm scared. Okay, whew, didn't drop it. This is gross. Okay, so hi. Life is great. So, I've just been doing some homework for a long time. And I was taking a break and just watching YouTube. So basically now I'm in the garden eating a banana with one hand. Wait, dude. Is this a staircase? Whoa. Okay, so actually it turns out I need to pee. Try not to hit the ceiling. No, it's closing. Because I was too busy. No! Curses! Someone pressed the button. Well, crap. I can't fit through the store and this is disgusting. It's my life. Okay, yeah. So I need to pee. I need to throw this away. So, yeah. Well, now I've changed into a sweater because fall vibes. Super. Ready, steady, flip, flop, flip-a-doo. Oh, someone just took a shower. This is weird. Okay, so now Carly's joining me, but she's getting ready, so like, this is probably taking up so much storage and it's gonna make it really hard to edit because it's on Snapchat and a bunch of little videos, so I'll have to save them all. I'll have to edit it and it. Also, just letting all my friends know, Carly got a letter in the mail yesterday and I was really disappointed because for a slight moment I thought it was for me. Whoa, I almost hit my ceiling off. My head on the ceiling right then. Could you see that? But literally, how am I running out of storage? I have 32 gigabytes. And like, I told my, like I wanted more than that, but yeah, so I've been doing homework. And then I took a break and my dad was like, oh yeah, we'll say school's over for the day. And then in a little while, whoa, last time I vlogged it was raining. As I was saying, just kidding, I don't actually remember what I was saying, but we're going on an adventure. I keep talking in my YouTuber voice, like, you know, the hey guys, like actual YouTubers do. Kind of look like your average dad who's going to pick up his children from school. Oops. Hey Sean, look, there's Kit Kats. Sean? Yes. He supposedly, there's a bunch of different flavored Kit Kats here. These are just normal. We're at Starbucks, just kidding, there's no sign you can see, but Starbucks getting our PSL. Love life. Starbucks. So hi. We decided to go that we're going to the 300 yen store. Because why not? We're in here, by the way. Lots of stuff. There's some chopsticks in little chopstick baskets. Should I wear these to ballet? Oh, this is terrible. Knit pants. Lovely cat. Lovely cat. You know, it's just really starting to feel like fall. Yes, I'm a princess. So that was a vlogging fail because I did not even film because I was a little worried that she wouldn't want us filming and we were the only ones in there, so it was pretty awkward. But yeah, sorry. Great time. I'm just so glad you're watching this. Well, that's probably it for tonight, guys. Sorry that was really lame, and thanks if you kept watching because, yeah, that was probably pretty lame. But, yeah, if you liked it, give it a big thumbs up. Maybe hit that subscribe button because I'm planning on making more because it's fun. Even if they're dumb, it's fun. So deal with it. Thanks. Bye. Chicken, 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 chicken.